Okay, episode 2, Opinion. So, check date, February 25, 2024. Topic today, sino nga ba ang mga vlogger na pinapanood ko sa YouTube or sa Facebook o sa kahit anong social media platform? Well, marami sila. Kung iisa-isahin natin yung mga vlogger, social media influencer dito pa lang sa Pilipinas, sa bansa natin, napakarami nila. Pero, meron lang akong particular na dalawa. Dalawa lang silang particular na lagi kong pinapanood when it comes to motorcycle riding. And, for sure, kung lagi naman kayong nasa social media and nandun na kayo sa motorcycle community inside our country, siguradong pamilyar na kayo dito sa dalawang media vlogger, motorcycle actually vlogger sila. One, si Telly Buhay, also known sa motorcycle community dito sa Pilipinas as si Turban Rider. And number 2, si Ma'am Des Bunsyo. Ngayon, siguro iniisip ninyo, bakit kaya sa dami-dami ng mga motorcycle vlogger dito sa Pilipinas, bakit silang dalawa yung tipong parang lagi kong inaantay na mag-upload ng video nila? Well, simple lang ang sagot ko doon. Ang common thing na meron si Sir Telly Buhay at si Ma'am Des Bunsyo, pag pinanood nyo yung mga video nila, lalo na yung mga dati nilang video up to now, pag pinanood nyo yung video nila, mararamdaman mo na yung video nila is ginawa nila because they enjoy what they are doing, which is motorcycle riding. Ngayon, na-meet ko na ba sila pareho? Well, isa lang ang na-meet ko sa kanila in person, si Ma'am Des, nung nagkaroon siya ng get-together ride, nung time na kumakarera pa siya sa Philippine Superbike Championship. Doon ko siya first time na meet, including her sister, si Jack Bunsyo, and si Sir Yoyong Bunsyo, and they are very, very accommodating individuals. They are very down to earth. Wala kang masesense na yabang sa kanila. And I would say the same nung years ago na na-meet ko the late, great, as in great talaga for me. Opinion ko lang naman yon, Maiko Bunsyo, nung na-meet ko si Sir Maiko Bunsyo sa Caloocan. At that time na parang nagsisimula pa lang akong magmotor. And they have that sense of humility in them na tingin ko one of their assets. Why slowly but surely dumami ang followers nila. Same goes kay Sir Telly Buhay. Si Sir Telly, supposedly na-meet ko siya in person. Mayroon kasi siyang inorganize na event for Suzuki at that time. I think barangay yon malapit sa Martisem. Barangay yon na malapit sa Martisem, alam ng mga pumupunta ng Marilaki ang ano yung tinutukoy ko. Pero sa dami kasi ng kausap niya at that time, hindi ko na siya nakausap in person, pero at least I was able to shake hands with Sir Telly. Pero from time to time, na-chat ko si Sir Telly, and pag may mga some of the things na meron akong gustong itanong, he's very accommodating also. Kaya follow nyo sila, Telly Buhay, T-E-L-L-Y, tas Buhay as in life, B-U-H-A-Y, and then si Ma'am Des, dalawa yung Facebook niya, pero I would suggest most of her posts, makikita nyo dun sa Des Bunsyo, D-E-S, B-U-N-C-I-O, then number 88. Yung number 88 niya actually kasi yun yung ginagamit niyang number nung time na kumakarera pa siya sa Philippine Superbike. Pero for now, yung Bundok Diaries niya, i-follow nyo rin. Nakakatuwang mga videos niya doon, mga ginagawa nila sa trail, which actually ako personally, nasa bucket list ko yon, nasa bucket list ko and wish list ko when it comes to riding a motorcycle kasi isang beses ko palang na-try mag-trail. Track to sa Antipolo, na si Sir Mel Aquino ang namamahala. At that time na-invite lang ako ng ibang kakilala ko na nagte-trail. So wala pa akong experience nun. KRB, yun. Try ko na doon. So, yun. Sila ang reason then why I wanted to start my own YouTube channel to share the same thing na ginagawa nila. To share yung joy and happiness that you get from riding a motorcycle. And tingin ko, I'm not discriminating other motorcycle vlogger. Kasi may iba-iba namang kasing forte at may iba-iba namang paraan ang mga motorcycle vlogger to put up a video and put it on social media and panoorin yun ng mga follower nila and mga supporters and mga fans. Pero yun, sa akin, try to watch yung video nila, Sir Telly and ni Ma'am Des Buncio. Happiness is always very important kasi sa ginagawa natin because tingin ko kung wala yun, hindi ka tatagal sa isang bagay na ginagawa mo kung hindi ka masaya dun sa ginagawa mo. And for me, na lagi ko silang napapanood, nag-upload sila ng mga video, they get invited sa mga events, makikita mo talaga yung they are happy on what they are doing. And siguro sa mga young generations ng mga nagpaplanong magmotor, including especially one of the most sensitive topic, pero i-discuss ko yun sa ibang opinion episode ko is gender equality. Well, it's a different medyo sensitive and malawak yung topic na yun. I'm trying to construct pa yung mga thoughts ko for the gender equality sa motorcycle industry and motorcycle community dito sa Pilipinas. Pero I think one of the pioneers din na kahit paano na nakabreak ng boundaries ng gender equality sa motorcycle community natin is the Buncio sisters. Yan, si Ma'am Des and her sister Jack Buncio. Well, actually, to see Ma'am Jack Buncio transition also from, parang iba nga yung directions nila eh. Si Ma'am Des from racetrack to trail, and now I'm seeing Ma'am Jack Buncio riding an adventure bike going to one place to another. So galing din siya sa Philippine Superbike Championship. So they are racetrack grade rider. Hindi sila yung basta-bastang sasabihin mo lang na rider lang sila just for riding. It's a good thing. It's a good thing na lumalaki na yung motorcycle community dito sa Pilipinas. Pero at the same time, let's face it, reality will tell us na meron pa rin in some little way, in some little things, tidbits, meron pa rin gender inequality, which I'm hopeful na in the long run, mabreak na rin yung gender inequality. Kasi motorcycle is motorcycle regardless kung ang sumasakay man dyan is sabihin na nating babae, lalaki, bading, lesbiana, member ng LGBT community. It's a different topic. Medyo sensitive yun, so I'll be very, very careful in discussing that. Kasi yun nga, very sensitive siya and I don't want to step foot on people making this video. So yun lang. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. So sa ating mga riders, tandaan lang natin na defensive riding ang pundasyon ng ligtas, responsable at disiplinadong pagmamotor. So long live the ride. Thank you for watching my video and have a good weekend everyone. Adios.